My name's Dr. Nick Smith. I'm from Topeka, Kansas. Grew up in Kansas. Went to University of Missouri, Kansas City for dental school. Really enjoy golfing and hanging out with my friends and family. Coming to Pennsylvania, everyone's been super welcoming and it's been a really nice time. Growing up in Topeka, Kansas, going to high school there, and then transitioning to the University of Kansas in Lawrence, Kansas for undergrad, and then after that, heading to Kansas City to start and finish dental school. My family dentist growing up was really close to my family. He was always really nice and welcoming, and starting out as pre-med in university was awesome and interesting, but after shadowing and hanging out with him, I really decided that this was the best route for me, and I've really enjoyed it. I'm excited to learn and grow more, especially with implants or full mouth rehab cases. You know, it's a blessing to be able to work with the group. I know Dr. Verber is especially great at these advanced cases that require a lot of work and planning and management. And so, you know, it's going to be really nice to learn from him and other doctors in the group. Everyone has been so welcoming and so nice and so willing to, you know, help out, whether it be with this new software system or you know, giving me their number, telling me to reach out, having me over for dinner. Everyone has been super welcoming here, and I feel very lucky to be a part of this practice. My biggest values in life would be to be honest, to have really close relationships with people, you know, whether that be my friends or family, you know, especially my fiance, and then, you know, just being, like I said, honest but also open with yourself, and that kind of ties into being open and honest with patients. So I think and even having close relationships with them just kind of builds accountability, makes them comfortable, and all around I think just provides a more genuine experience for them. Just making sure everyone's on the same page has been the biggest, you know, way that I can make patients comfortable. Taking time to explain things to them as well is really important. My favorite part is seeing patients when the treatment's done. You know, whether it be like an anterior case where patients get to have a new smile, or, you know, seeing them a few weeks later and them telling you that they're able to eat all the foods that they wanted to. Those kind of, you know, life-changing things are really what make the job worth it. Some of my future goals definitely would include having like a happy and peaceful life. Another one is getting married. I'm engaged recently, and so we just booked our date 1.5 years out. Definitely excited for that. And then another thing is to you know, learn more of the managing side of a dental practice. I want patients to know that I'll be honest with them about their treatment, and I'll work with them to find out what treatment plan is going to be best for them. I want them to know that they'll definitely be heard, and I'll definitely take my time to understand where they're coming from and explain what the treatment would look like and kind of the steps we would go through to make that happen. You know, I think all of those things are really important.